So have a Redzi morning to all. This is Rishabh, and today I'm here to share my vibes about Tempus Fugit. Friends, do you know what is the meaning of Tempus Fugit? Tempus Fugit means time. Time is running. And friends, one thing also that time means everybody says that if we waste time, so time will waste you. No, it is totally wrong. And one more thing, everybody says time is a money, so it is also wrong. Time is not money, time is a life. Because do you know one thing, if we have life, okay, and we have no time, we have many much more money, but we have no time. So what is the meaning of our life? Our life means nothing. And do you know why I said that time, if you waste time, time will waste you? Because what happened means, if you are free, then you must go for gossiping and all, and if you are gossiping, then you must be disturbing someone. Means suppose if somebody comes to me and he said just go, he says that just go and enjoy, so he's also disturbing me with his time. So it is also. And one thing I would like to share, that do you know how to save our time? So for that I have a silly trick which will help. That is, just write on your hand that am I giving value to my time? Then you are not going to waste your time. Then at that time you will invest your time and nothing else. And one more thing I would like to share, that is, in India there's many billionaires or trillionaires. They have money but they have no time. So what is the meaning of their life? Their life means nothing because they have no time. And friends, do you know what is the full form of it? What is the full form of time? It means that this income for me. It means it is related to compound effect. I will let you know what is the meaning of compound effect. Compound effect means, suppose that it is the eighth wonder of the world. Do you know it is the eighth wonder? We know all about our science, our seventh member, but no, only rare people knows about eighth wonder, and it is the eighth wonder of the world, compound effect. And it means that if we have, suppose now we have 2 rupees, okay, and if we are going to double it, like today I have 2 rupees, tomorrow will be I have 4 rupees, and the day after tomorrow I will have 8 rupees. So it means compound effect. And if we do like this, so after 1 month it will become 55 crore or 50 crore, because of our compounding. It is the real power of compounding. And if then the time, that means that compound says this income for me, and after doing these things you will get your income also, your, we can say, salary also, say interest also. You will get all the things of yours what you have paid for that time. And one thing why I have choose my topic Tempus Fugit, it means that it is a Latin word. It means that time is running, as I have shared. And one more thing, time is running, so for that it is up to us. If we want to use it, so we can use, and if we don't want to use it, so we can't use. Like now, if you are listening me, so maybe you will get some knowledge which will help you. So it is up to us. If you want to listen me carefully, then just be uncertainly sure that you will get some knowledge. And one thing I would like to share, that if we are playing, even though we will get some knowledge, it doesn't mean that if we are studying only, then we will get some knowledge, and we are reading book, then we will get some knowledge. It shows that, means wherever we are, if we are getting some knowledge, so it means we are not wasting time, we are investing our time. So friends, there's a many thought, one thought I would like to share, that if you don't learn the lesson at right time, so life teaches you the same lesson at wrong time. It means that if you don't learn the time management at right time, then that time teach you that time management at wrong time. Means now I'm at this age, but till now I got to know, if I get to know about time management, so just be sure my life is going to be settled and nothing else, because of time management. Time management, it doesn't mean that timetable, it doesn't mean that your schedule, it means time management, how you are managing your time. Like if in your home there's a marriage ceremony and all, wedding ceremony, so it doesn't mean that only just go and enjoy. It means by the help, means while enjoyment also we will get some knowledge, we will get some silly things which we don't know about that. And suppose if in my home, if in my home there's a wedding ceremony, and if I'm enjoying with my friends, relatives, so at that time also I will get some knowledge, because means what they are doing, what they are not doing, how to make our respect everywhere, maybe we will get knowledge by them. So as I shared, means if you don't learn the lesson at right time, then life teaches you the same lesson at wrong time. And friends, as I shared the full form of time, so if we want to follow, if we want to be like, if we want to, like, we can see that means bees and all, means that mosquitoes and all are what they are doing, means only they are giving value, means what is their priority, what is their job, their jobs only just go and bite peoples. So they are doing our own job, either they are dying or not, it doesn't matter, but they are doing their job. So like that, means there's one more thought, that when we share our happiness, when we share our pain, so it divides, but when we share our happiness, so it multiples, means suppose that it multiplies. And one thing that I would like to share a silly quote that which will help you. So just listen to me, because it is my final point, that give value to your time, otherwise time will not give you value at when time will come, when the time will be of that person.